Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a backup. This prevents accidental data loss. Next, turn on Show/Hide to reveal paragraph marks, tabs, and manual line breaks so you can see the problem. Inspect the applied style, normal versus custom styles, because inconsistent styles cause most format issues. Once you identify stray manual formatting, clear it selectively. Make sure to note page margins and section breaks. They affect headers and layout. Now proceed to targeted fixes with styles and spacing controls. Now clean up styles and spacing to restore consistency. Open the Styles pane and reapply normal to affected paragraphs. Then modify the style to set font, size, line spacing, and paragraph spacing centrally. Replace manual returns and tabs with Find and Replace. Use P for paragraph marks, L for manual line breaks, and T for tabs, so you avoid mixed spacing. If lists misbehave, adjust multi-level list settings so numbering aligns properly. Once consistent, update the whole document from one style change. Finish by checking headers, footers, and section breaks. These often create mysterious layout shifts. Remove or change section breaks and unlink headers between sections when you don't want shared content. Make sure page orientation and margins match expectations. Change next page to continuous for smoother flow where needed. Finally, run a quick scan for widow/orphan control and update the table of contents if present. If formatting still fails, copy content into a clean template or save as a new file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.